Blaze. Look this way, Blaze. Blazy girl. There you go. You guys are so cute. Oh well, it was cute while it lasted. At least I got a short, very short video of it. Please. What you looking at, girl? Please. Please, please. Please. Please, please. Sweet, please. I don't think I've ever seen you do that before. Are you like silently chirping over birds? Oh my gosh, yes you are. That is so cute. And this is the first time I've ever seen you do that. So silent, you're not even making a sound. That's funny. Okay, now let's get a look at what it is that's exciting you so. Through the window. Oh, this is what's exciting you so. Birds. A lot of them. Yep, that's what's getting you so incredibly excited, alright. My goodness. I'm excited. You most definitely are. The dead bush and all the worms it might have to offer. Oh my god, it sounds like you're like snoring almost. Yep, that's what's got her excited. Sounds like she's snoring.